बटन
हाँ थांब परत.
आटू
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Zeman and today I'm going to teach you 5 DIY hairbands. Yeah, it's super cute, super easy, super affordable and super quirky. I know बहुत सारा super हो गया, but trust me, it's super easy and very stylish and very trendy. You can make it in less than 50 rupees. If you go to buy to shops or big brands, it may cost you around 150 or more than that. But I am going to teach you it in less than 50 rupees. So without wasting much time, let's get started. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit that bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you will get a notification. And do watch this video whole, you are going to love it. And don't forget to hit that like button. So let's start. For first hairband, we need wool, one hairband and scissor and glue of course. We have to make pom-pom. So what I'm gonna do is like cut a small string and place it between my fingers because I'm gonna use this later to tie the that wrap wala part, and start wrapping wool around your fingers. Now keep a count on the wool, how many times you are wrapping it, because we are making two pom-poms, so we don't want it to be like chota bada, so we want it similar, so keep a count of it. And after wrapping the whole wool, just tie the loose loops which we had placed between the fingers and remove the wool from your fingers and tie it tightly. And after that, what we have to do is just cut the edges from both the sides so that it gets open and it looks somewhat like pom-poms. Hold it tightly and then cut it in round to make it look more fluffy and pom-pom look, or else it may look messy, so just cut the extra parts, trim it. The size depends totally on you, how much bigger or smaller you want. This is the size that I wanted, so I am not cutting much, I am just trimming the extra parts. Pom-pom is ready and here another one is also ready. So I have kept my hot glue gun ready. Now place the pom-pom on the hairbands like how far or how close you want it according to your wish, and stick the pom-poms on the hairband. And to make it more stable, what I'm gonna do is like after sticking it from the top of the hairband, I'm gonna like pour some hot glue gun from downwards too to make it more stable and it won't move. So here our cute hairband is ready and it costed less than 50 rupees. Because this hairband I had purchased in wholesale, so I got like 12 hairbands for 100 rupees. So you can divide it the cost. And also the pom-pom wool, I got a bundle of wool for 20 rupees. And obviously I'm not gonna use the whole bundle at a time. It's like still remaining. So now you can calculate yourself, like it's less than 50, so yeah. For second hairband, we need again hairband, felt paper, you can get this in any novelty or stationery shop, wire, some beads or stick-on diamond studs and ribbon, and obviously hot glue gun. What I'm gonna do is take felt paper, we need 2 wire pieces, bend them in a triangle shape because we want to make cat ears. So we want a triangle, and then keep it on felt paper and cut triangles out of it. So we need 2 triangles as we want it to look more finished, so we are going to stick front also and back also, like this. So keep the wire in between and stick the felt papers together. So don't stick the whole felt paper, keep it hollow in between, just stick the two parts. Like this I have done. And also to make it look more finished, what I have done is like cut a small strip of felt paper and stick it on the edges, so this looks more finished. And then I have stick this cute little beads or diamonds, you can say, studs on this in pink shade, light and dark, for more attractive look. And this looks somewhat like this. So now what we have to do is, like जो पहले triangle वाला wire था, we have to just turn it around, twist and turn it and place it on our hairband like this. Now again, it's on you, like how far or how close you want the 2 ears to be. Like this we have to do it. Do same with the second one. And here our cat ear hairband is ready, like base is ready. Now cover the whole hairband with the ribbon, because we don't want the wire to prick in our head obviously. So for the more finished look, I have covered the whole hairband with ribbon, and this looks more cute. Just what we have to do is stick the diamond cat ears. So here I am sticking some hot glue gun on wire. Just push the wire inside the felt paper. This is the reason I had told to keep it hollow, so that you can like place it in between. The wire can be placed in between two felt papers like this. Do same with the another. Even this hairband costed us less than 50 rupees, because hairband I already had, and the diamonds were for rupees 10 per packet. The felt paper was 10 rupees ka sheet. Even the wire was for 10 rupees ka whole bundle. And ribbon we get for 10 to 15 rupees. So you can calculate it. Thoda 50-55 tak jayega, or maybe less. It's up to you. So here we have a cute hairband.